Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is boss, an A2 level noun meaning a person in charge. So, what is a boss? Well, in simple terms, a boss is the person who directs and supervises other people at work or in an organization. You might hear people saying, "My boss is very supportive," or "The boss asked me to complete this report by 5 p.m." It is someone who holds a position of authority. Let's look at some synonyms. Words like leader or manager often refer to someone in charge. For instance, the leader of the team is very inspiring, or our manager approved the new project proposal. Now, let's consider the opposite of boss. Antonyms might be employee or subordinate. For example, as an employee, I follow the instructions given by my boss, or he felt uncomfortable as a subordinate during the meeting. How can you use boss in everyday life? You might hear things like, "I need to talk to my boss about my vacation time," or "She is a great boss and always helps her team." Here are some sentences and phrases using boss. The boss gave me a new assignment. Who's your boss? My boss's office is on the 3rd floor. The team respects their boss. Be a boss at work. So, to recap, today's word was boss, a noun, an A2 level word meaning a person in charge. We looked at synonyms like leader and manager, and antonyms such as employee and subordinate. We also explored different everyday usage scenarios and example sentences. Thank you all for listening. If you enjoy Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other language learners find the show. And before you go, why not create your own sentence using the word boss and share it as a comment below this video?